Yeah, we've been on the trail about an hour, hour and a half or something tonight. I'll tell you what, this is the best time of night. It's been so hot today. So hot all day. Now we're up at elevation. It's like 6 or 6:30 at night. Sun has gone down. We're hiking a trail. Oh, it just feels so good to be out. You know, got off work a little early, headed out into the mountains. That's what I do. I mean, don't tell anybody. Heck yeah. Good job there, Birdie. Oops, snake. This hike has been beautiful so far. We're in an aspen grove right now. You get a little bit of everything. You get the pine forest, the aspen groves. You also get the river. It's pretty deep. About knee deep. Birdie trying to cross this river here. There he goes. We took our shoes off. Try to keep those a little bit dry. You can see about how deep that water is, knee deep. The water feels awfully good today. It's not too cold. So at this point in time, Birdie and I are not sure exactly how far we want to go tonight or where we're gonna go. So we're gonna bust out the map. This is what I keep my map in. Where are we? I love being by the river all day. I think this trail is excellent. Look at this river. Got Birdie coming up. It's beautiful. So you like the river, Birdie? Are you enjoying the trail?
Indeed.
Yeah. So we're in the middle of an electrical storm here. A little bit sketchy and a little bit weird. I think this thunder and lightning is coming from the fires that Colorado's been having. We're having, you know, one of the largest wildfires in Colorado history. But this is a perfect opportunity because it's lightning and not raining. And tell you how you deal with lightning. If you're in an electrical storm, you're with a group of people, what you do is you separate. You separate out. Like Birdie was right next to me. All this lightning came. Now he's 100 yards back. We separate out so that if the lightning strikes, hits one person, it's not gonna knock down both people. That way one person can help the other person that's been struck. Started raining, got my umbrella out. I strapped my umbrella up, as you can see right here. I don't even have to touch it. I'm holding the camera with one hand. I've got my trekking poles in the other hand. This umbrella is protecting me from any sort of weather and my pack. Now my Sea Packs is waterproof, but it's always good just to have an umbrella. We're looking for a camp spot now. All right, here comes the hail now. We're tucked under some trees, which is not the smartest thing to do in a lightning storm. We're frantically setting up right now. We got massive lightning out there. It's dumping rain. We're going for it. There's Birdie getting into his tent over there. He's directly across from my tent, as you can see. We got out of the storm. We're tucked into the tent. Now it's getting sort of beautiful outside. So that's nice. We have now set up camp. This is night number, what do we got, Birdie? Night number 2?